So apparently it's somebody's birthday today. And found out that there's something outside on my front lawn. Let's go see what it is, shall we? We go over here by the tree. Just gotta do a little walk over here. Got a little something sitting here on the grass. I wonder what it could be. Let's see what it could be. Oh, it looks like a little girl. Do you have a message? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Say, happy birthday, Zeta. Say, happy birthday, Zeta. What's your sign say here that you have? Oh, happy birthday, Zeta. I love you and I miss you. Well, that's very nice of you, sweetie. Do you miss you, Zeta? Can you say happy birthday, Zeta? I love you. Happy birthday. Say I love you, Zeta. Can you give kisses? Kisses to Zeta? Kisses? Mwah. Oh, what a nice girl. Say bye, Zeta. That's right. Happy birthday, Zeta.